If you're seeing the X, formerly Twitter, error that says, "Oops, something went wrong," please try again later, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into X on your PC without guessing what went wrong. This is a common issue, and in most cases it's caused by browser cache, cookies, VPNs, ad blockers, or tracking protection getting in the way of X loading properly. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you should do is clear your browser cache and cookies. If you're using Chrome or Edge, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. A browser window will open with the clear browsing data options. Change the time range to all time, then make sure cookies and other site data and cached images and files are selected. After that, click Clear Data and wait for the process to finish. Once that's done, close the browser completely and reopen X to see if the error is gone. If you're using Firefox, click the menu in the top right, go to Settings, then open Privacy and Security. Scroll down until you find Cookies and Site Data, then click Clear Data. Make sure the relevant boxes are checked, confirm the action, and then restart Firefox before trying X again. If the error still appears, the next thing to check is your VPN or proxy. X sometimes flags VPN traffic as suspicious, which can stop pages from loading correctly and trigger this message. If you have a VPN turned on, disconnect it completely, refresh the page, and try again. If you use a proxy service, disable that as well for a moment and test X without it. In many cases, that alone fixes the problem right away. Next, look at your ad blocker and tracking protection settings. Extensions like uBlock Origin or even built-in privacy shields can block scripts that X needs in order to function properly. So if you have an ad blocker installed, turn it off for x.com and then reload the page. In Firefox, you can also add x.com to your enhanced tracking protection exceptions list so the site can load normally without being over-restricted. After adjusting those settings, refresh X and see whether the error disappears. If you're still stuck, the best next test is to open X in an incognito or private browsing window. This is a very useful step because private mode usually loads without active extensions or saved site data. On Chrome or Edge, press Ctrl, Shift, and N to open an incognito window. On Firefox, press Ctrl, Shift, and P to open a private window. Then go to X and try signing in again. If X works in private mode, that means the issue is probably caused by something in your normal browser, like an extension, a corrupted cookie, or a cached script. At that point, you can go back and disable extensions one by one until you find the one causing the conflict. If none of those steps work, try a different browser or restart your computer and test the site again. Sometimes, a quick reset helps clear a temporary browser or network issue. You can also make sure your browser is fully updated because outdated versions can create compatibility problems with modern web apps like X. So to recap, the main fixes are clearing cache and cookies, disabling VPN or proxy services, turning off ad blockers and tracking protection, and testing X in a private window. These steps solve the majority of oops, something went wrong errors on X in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more step-by-step fixes for X, Twitter, and other apps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.